Hi, I'm Perry Hatch, Vice President of Sales for Standley Systems.
And I'm Greg Elliott, CEO of Standley Systems, and we want to talk about the vertical of insurance, finance, and banking, and really just the importance of that, and really what Standley Systems does really to service those clients. You know, Perry, when I think about those verticals, being from a small, rural Oklahoma community, you think about how capital is dispersed, you know, across the state and across the region and in small communities. And, you know, without access to capital, nothing happens. Right. You know, businesses don't grow, people don't build homes, really the whole thing is stopped. And so you can't really overstate the importance of the banking and finance and insurance industries as the impact that they have in Oklahoma and Texas.
Sure. And as you'd imagine, those industries, security is critical, data security is critical. We're fortunate to have some really strong security management solutions specific to our copy print devices that we've implemented recently in a very large Oklahoma-based banking organization to allow them to treat the print systems as they would any other endpoint. So we put security layers around the print systems. You know, the other thing that really benefits us, whether it's insurance, banking, finance, there are large metro-based organizations, and then there are smaller SMBs throughout the state of Oklahoma and North Texas. So one of the benefits of Standley Systems is we have regional reach and local touch. And that is what's allowed us to serve many in this space for 91 years in a way that no one else can.
You know, the financial sector overall, I know, you know, AI has become just such a huge talking point. We're looking at it. I was at a manufacturers meeting recently where they spent really 2 days talking about AI and how it's going to impact and how it is impacting the print industry and printers and scanners and everything that goes along with that. And I know that banks and financial institutions, every day their IT departments are looking at, okay, how is this going to impact us?
Yeah.
How can we get better using AI and the tools that are out there? And you know, we're just fortunate to be on the cutting edge of that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And you know, it'll be interesting to have dialogue. We're having it with our current clients. We'd love to have it with those of you in these industries that we don't know yet to determine how AI is going to impact your print and technology environment and how the AI solutions we bring to the market might help you fulfill those goals. So our team approach for all verticals, specifically banks, is most of the bank clients that we serve have a central headquarters and Oklahoma branches throughout the state. We were recently awarded a contract for a well-known financial organization banking system in Oklahoma with multiple locations throughout rural Oklahoma as well as Oklahoma City. Our solution, which we assessed their print environment, we identified hundreds of non-managed print systems that they were spending a lot of time on with IT from Oklahoma City going out for break fix and employees at the branch locations managing toner ordering, toner fulfillment. We placed them under a Standley's contract in which we provide all service, all consumables, and the CIO messaged to us about a month ago that we gave him 8 hours a week back of his staff. That's a great opportunity for us. It's a win-win. We give him the staff to focus on critical IT initiatives while we support the infrastructure that we put in place.
We would just love an opportunity to get together and learn more about your business, learn more about the pain points, and really be able to craft a solution to address those needs.